Hi guys, I purchased this security camera about 2 months ago. So now that I've used it for about 2 months, I want to show you, a little more information about it and give you a little review and overview of how it works. So this camera uses the Onecam app. So it comes with a built-in battery, which is great for keeping it charged and putting it in remote places. So I had a project, something was under construction. I wanted to keep a video of it, so I used it over there, and I just took it down so I could shoot this video for you. It's really rather simple to set up. This is a standard camera mount. It's got 3 holes for screws. Then this part can loosen and tighten to lock the mount in the position that you want it. And then this part unscrews from the camera, and you have to unscrew it whenever you want to charge the camera up, unless you could reach a cable to where the camera is. So the camera is powered via standard micro USB cable. So it's got this cover right here, and it comes with a short cable. One trick that you could do, I found it helpful, is instead of taking down the camera each time, is I just connected a power bank to it and just left it there for a day, and then came back the next day, and the camera was all charged up. On the bottom over here is where you put the micro SD card, and it's also got the on-off switch for the camera and a small hole for the reset button. And here's a button for pressing that reset. Over here is the sensor for detecting motion, and here's the camera lens. Here's the box that it comes in. It's model number SN-S3, and here's some of the features. It's got the PIR, motion detection, so it's pretty accurate. Instead of trying to use the camera as detecting motion, this one uses the the PIR sensor that gives it a lot more of an accurate detection. It connects via Wi-Fi to the camera. It's got an 18650 battery, and it's got day and night vision. The night vision is black and white, like a lot of other cameras. It doesn't have the color one. It's got infrared LEDs to light it up. Over here is the instruction manual for setting it up. If you have multiple other security cameras, it's really, it's pretty much the same as all the cameras. You just got to know you need to use the Onecam app. And one of the cool features, it's got the 2-way speaker and mic. So if you're in a place that has Wi-Fi there, you could actually talk to people when you detect any motion, or just in general, you can open the app and talk to them. So here's the instructions. And obviously you can share with other people. It's got an option for cloud storage where you can pay a monthly fee to keep your videos backed up to the cloud, so it's safer. And then that's it. It does have an AP hotspot mode, which is good if you're in a spot which doesn't have which doesn't have good Wi-Fi, in order to connect to it and see the videos. So thanks for watching my review. Let me just show you the size. Here's the palm of my hand, so you can see just how big that camera is. It doesn't have any cover over the lens, so you just be careful of glares and stuff like that. If it's facing the sun, you want to try to face it away from the sun, towards the building. Anyway, thanks for watching my review on the Onecam, the Poyasilon SN-S3 camera.